lost it. Yeah, we had the rancher come by, and on the way out, we met her on the way in, and she told us that she had shot her fox here. So we got one on the board. Good catch. All right, here's our badger set. We got an old gray fox. I'll take him. It's been a slow morning. This is the skunk remaking. See something. Something stepped all over me. I'm not sure what it is. I sure wish I did. Oh well. So we just come out here setting traps around these beaver ponds, or these beaver dams. We got this canal. There's Border Patrol coming by. We got a series of dams here, so we got a couple of dam break sets and a couple of conibears in runs. I threw a caster mount on a snare right down here, and you can see that kind of the sunset over the mountains in the background. It's been a good evening, and this is probably some of the most beaver sign we've seen, so got high hopes for this place tomorrow. You can see, I guess, the deeper spots where it's kind of clear, and then the shallower spots just choked down with cattails. Got a little bit deeper spot coming through here. There's a dam, and then you can see the cattails pick back up. So we'll see what we got. Just 2 gray foxes this morning.